Hello all, this is a pickup from the first video, which is how to purchase music from Amazon. So now we're going to look at how to delete your purchase out of Amazon Music streaming app. So you buy your song in your Amazon account, you download, so make sure your purchase counts. What happens is that it downloads the song automatically into your Amazon Music library. So what I have here is the Amazon Music app on my desktop. And the same process for deleting the song out of your library is the same on desktop and on mobile. So you open up Amazon Music, the streaming app, go to songs. So the two songs I just bought are here in the library, the original version instrumental. So what you do is you click on the three dots, and what you want to do is you want to remove it from your library. Click there. Delete from library. You sure you want to delete? Yes, you want to delete. And do the same thing for the other one. What happens if you do not delete? If you do not delete, then Amazon Music will play the file that you bought. So think of it as you bought a physical CD and you're playing it, which you don't want if you want your streams to count. So deleting this tells Amazon that you do not want to play the song that you bought. You want to play the songs from their library, Amazon Music library, so that your streams will count. Right. So the process of deleting from Amazon Music is very similar to iTunes and Apple Music. There's a one step difference in the iTunes Apple Music step. So there's another video for iTunes Apple Music, but once your songs are deleted out of your song library, you can go and make a playlist. So that is basically how to delete your Amazon Music purchase out of your Amazon Music streaming app. A tip I have for you is just create a separate account for Amazon Music streaming and then have a separate Amazon account for buying. That way you don't have to deal with the deleting of your purchase. And I recommend that for iTunes and Apple Music as well. Have separate accounts for buying, have a separate dedicated account to streaming. Thank you for watching. Until next time.